In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer leads from your website to your Google Spreadsheet using Zapier. Today, I will guide you on linking Zapier to your contact form, ensuring all your potential client details land on a list. Whether you use it as a basic CRM or shift to your email marketing tool, this quick 15-minute setup will save you loads of time.
Welcome to our WordPress dashboard, folks. For today's tutorial, I'll use the Calculated Fields Form plugin, a favorite of mine, to craft our form. Let's dive right into its dashboard. I've prepped a cloned form for our walkthrough today. Before we roll our sleeves up, ensure your webhook extension is active. Alright, heading into our form builder, this right here is our form's blueprint. We'll skip the nitty-gritty today, that's a chat for another day. Here's a quick preview. See, with this sleek form, we'll be gathering essential details. Email, phone number, business websites, and any extra comments. Got the gist? Cool. Let's move on. Now, let's navigate to our beloved webhook section. Click on Add New URL. This is where the magic of Zapier enters the scene. We'll need a webhook URL from them. Taking a leap to our Zapier dashboard, let's whip up a new zap. Set the trigger to Webhook by Zapier. Choose the Catch Hook event. Breeze through. And voila, our coveted webhook URL. Back in our territory, WordPress, let's embed this URL. A quick pro tip. Make sure the option, Send all forms fields plus the next ones, is checked. Secure it with a save. Time for a dry run. I'll plug in some random data here. Don't worry, it's just for our test. In comments, how about I am looking for SEO expert? Hit submit and we're set. Back in Zapier, let's see the results. Bingo, every single data point from our form is captured. Moving forward, select Continue with the captured record. Our next mission, channeling this data to Google Sheets. We'll pick the Create Spreadsheet Row event. Post a quick login to your Google. Guide Zapier to the right drive and file. For me, that's customer data on my Google Drive. Last touch, specifying our worksheet. With Zapier having a chat with our spreadsheet, it's now about aligning our form data to the right columns. It's like fitting puzzle pieces together, quite intuitive. Peek into our Google Sheet. Empty now. But let's fire a test shot from Zapier. And there we have it, direct, seamless data transfer from form to sheet. To wrap things up, let's set our Zap live. Sit back, sip your coffee, and watch the automation magic happen.
Alright, that's it for today. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. And hey, if you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.